Oh my god, welcome back. I don't know why these motherfuckers keep on interfering with my internet. My internet comes and it goes within a minute. Fuck this shit. Or maybe they know I'm telling you the truth. Or maybe they don't want me to tell you the truth. Oh my god. So in there, we just finished talking about this, and we were talking about this here, the setup here, and my internet went out. So let's finish quickly. Um, this said this is another block here. The last down close candle. These two down close candles, this one and this one, create the order block. So this whole delivery on the downside is the order block, but you can also use this down close candle, the last down close candle, as the order block. Just look at how perfect price is printing through that after retesting through this rejection block. Remember I talked about it. This one here. It's the 1 hour rejection block. Um, price just slightly even touches the bottom of that rejection block and delivers higher, taking out these motherfuckers. Remember the motherfuckers that trade supply and demand. This this is a very good support. What's it called? Resistance area for them, and they gonna be selling here. And I don't give a fuck about you. I don't give a fuck about you. If I come to the market and I find these kind of setup, I'm going in. I'm targeting these liquidity here. This liquidity gets wiped out. These motherfuckers converted into cash. After these motherfuckers are converted into cash, and that was good delivery. You can trace that through the lower time frame. You must do all the work. I did that work, bro. I did that work, bro. So fuck you if you don't want to do the work. But we just said about this in the previous video. No, you just have to rewatch all these videos till it gets into your brain. Till you can do it yourself. You understand? And I said after I am done teaching my bro, I won't post no other shit on public. I said I don't have mentorship. I don't trade for people. I don't do account management. I am not a financial advisor, and I am not gonna post after this shit. After my brother understands everything, because it is low here, another here, and another here. Price quickly converts these motherfuckers into cash. How to really convert these motherfuckers into cash? We uses this same rejection block again, and immediately to the opening sweeps out these motherfuckers. This is the motherfuckers from London session, and they gonna see it's gonna be crazy, bro. So price really comes for this low. You can see that we have this here. It's not that perfect, but you can see it there. I just wanted you to see it. I'm grading this. This is another block. You see how price touches. This is the point 0.5. This one here. The mean threshold of this order block. The mean threshold is the center of an order block, whether bullish or bearish. Remember bullish order blocks are down close candles. That's what I said, and you can grade them. Means changes the state of delivery. That's simply what it means. And price quickly uses this imbalance. This is a balanced price range. Price necessarily doesn't want to come back here. Also wants to balance this. There's an imbalance here. Balances it here and quickly runs to this buy side liquidity. It's a good entry. for the New York AM session. And immediately you're done with that, just get out of the chats and you have gotten what you wanted. Just wait for tomorrow, bro. Just wait for tomorrow. So we go again through tomorrow prize through the evening and night opened came rallied up higher. You can see these relative equal highs, minor buy side liquidity takes them out. There's another block. Remember bearish order blocks are up close candles, the green candle. The main threshold of that order block, bearish order block, and price immediately delivers lower to this imbalance, 1 hour buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. That is good delivery. If you happen to be on the lower time frame, you could have seen these form of real good, and these liquidity could have been my take profit one, and target this imbalance here. Immediately after that imbalance, you can see that price just wanted to print higher, came back for this liquidity through the evening and overnight. Um, we have this reusing price reusing this volume imbalance here. It's on the 1 hour time frame. Pretty sure it's on new day opening up for I don't know when. New day opening up for 14th, and price reuses that new day opening up. Just look at how the candlesticks are hammering on that perfectly. Um, the wicks here damage, the wicks here damage, and price delivery. Remember these downfall, this sunset delivery here was from this one FVG, which was kind of beautiful because it uses this new day opening up here. I'm pretty sure you can see it, but I can see it. There's a new day opening up. There's an imbalance there. I can see it. Delivering lower. So this is volume imbalance. It's a new day opening up still. If nobody knows that, you know now. You won't see that on my recent lectures. Calm stakes out this high, and that was on Thursday. This is a volume imbalance again. How does he see that? He's saying, motherfucker, I've been doing this. I've been doing this, man. So volume imbalance there. Price reuses that. Relative equal highs. That's a buy side liquidity. Price penetrates through that, and immediately this motherfucker decides that it's gonna be ruthless to anybody who was bullish. The Friday correction. This Fridays fucked up, fuck up people. Fridays used to fuck me up so bad, very bad, bro. Fridays actually used to ruin most of my weekends, but nowadays they don't. They don't do that. They don't do that. Nope, 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 nope. They don't do that. So I'm actually recording this on 31st January 2026, and I closed on Friday good, and I love that because I knew what price was doing. That is good because at least now I can say I know what I'm doing after 2 fucking years of trading that bullshit that these motherfuckers are teaching you out here. Kenyan Prince. Kenyan Prince. Sammy Boy Kenya motherfucker. Flossing. Who are the niggas? Just name them. Name all those niggas. They are not trading nothing. They're just showing you bullshit, and they're showing you bullshit on top of over leveraging. You're gonna fuck yourself up, you're gonna fuck your whole process up, and it's gonna kill you, and you're not gonna be profitable, and you're gonna eventually go back to that fucking job. So Friday, you can see that delivery, insane. That correction is insane. I want to say thank you for listening to me, and thank you for all your love. Um, Thank you for just being here. And I said I am going to prepare a mentorship for my brother. He's called Boniface Dai. He's in Form 4 right now. I will do that, and I know also these videos that I am recording right now are gonna be part of his lectures to understand the markets better. Um, Thank you so much for listening to me. Um, Thank you for giving me a chance to explain myself. And bro, because I know you're listening to this in the future, thank you so much for listening to me, and I love you. And just hold in there. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna be. I did this thing um for 2 fucking years in the wrong way just for you, bro, so that you could get it right. Uh, Not necessarily on the first day, but you will not have to go through the struggle that I went through. Um, I am really, really humbled, and I know that we're going to have more time together, and this video is gonna be put in a playlist so that everybody who wants to share the playlist to someone who thinks that they want to learn something from me can share it with ease. And yeah, it's gonna be wonderful. Let's encourage each other. And I've also, if you've realized that my videos are shorter than those from Michael. Michael is my teacher, and I acknowledge everything that I'm talking here, he taught me, and he took me through it personally through his live streamings. Um, I feel like I am doing his work, but on gold. He usually does it even right now. You can go check him out. He does it every day. Every day. He does it on Nasdaq, but I do it on gold. All these concepts apply to all instruments. You can trade crypto with it. I don't give a fuck if you do that. I don't give a fuck if you trade forex pairs. I don't give a fuck if you trade options. I don't give a fuck if you trade indices. I don't give a fuck if you trade whatever you do, bro. I just want you to understand that they are not gonna take away highs, which is liquidity, and lows, highs and lows. They're never gonna take that away. They're never gonna take away imbalances. And simply that is what all this presentation is all about. How to use imbalances, inefficiencies, and liquidity together to understand price action. Thank you so much, and have a good time.